Okay, for the questions. Question 1 has some pictures here, and it asks, which picture shows the setting of the animal shelter? I'm looking at the area around it, and I'm trying to decide what would it look like around the animal shelter from the things that I read in the story. Question 2. Why was Lan surprised? It says we can go to page 2 if we have any questions. But A, Lan had not seen a mother and a baby before. B, Lan had not seen this kind of animal before. Or C, Lan had not seen a hurt animal before. Let's think about that and think about the story and what we read. Question 3. How did the pangolins feel after being inside for a few days? It's asking us to complete the sentence. The pangolins feel blank when they are inside. A, sad, B, shy, or C, safe. Which word would you put in the sentence? The pangolins feel blank when they are inside. Question 4. It says if we have a question, we can go to page 4 of the story. Which key details tells you how the jungle setting feels? So we're thinking about how the jungle setting feels. A, there are tall trees and vines. B, they crossed a bridge. Or C, the air is hot and wet. Remember, we're thinking about how it feels in the jungle. Let's look at question 5. Why do Lan and her dad pass by the rocks instead of letting the pangolins go there? Why did they say that that was not a good place? Was it A, there is no food, B, it is not safe there, or C, the animals need water? Okay, we're on question 6. There are some pictures it wants you to look at. Why is the fallen tree a good place for pangolins to live? Was it A, there's food and water? Was it B, there's a tree to climb on? Or C, there's a stream to swim in? What did it tell us in the story was the reason that the fallen tree was a good place for the pangolins to live? And then our last one. Question 7 says, what do Lan and her dad do last in the story? Choose an event. They've said that first they help 2 pangolins at the rescue center. Next, they look for a good pangolin home in the jungle. What do they do last? Was it A, they leave the pangolins high in a tree? B, they leave the pangolins in the perfect spot? Or C, they leave the pangolins in the cage?